Here I do not need your help for this. We had a leak. We focused on there. Coming in here, under there, and we just couldn't trace it. I thought it was coming from here, but it's not. And I'll show you where that was coming from. It's only slightly, a little bit damp, that side and that side. And what it was, because I thought it was coming through the hinges, but on further examination I found out it was going through here. So we put more screws in to take the bend out, to take out any flex, and then silicone sealed in between here. Obviously the bottom one's okay, that seems to be fine, so we did that on both sides and on the opposite side over there as well. So, and we seem to be leak free. And looking at the weather, we're about to have some more testing.